Hello there. Let us discuss about the export business of Kewra water from India. Kewra is also called Kewra. So Kewra water is fragrant floral distillates used as a flavoring agent in sweet dishes like rasgulla, rasmalai, puddings, beverages, and savory recipes like biryanis and meat gravies. India exports Kewra water system to more than 90 countries, and these are the top destinations, and this product falls under chapter 33, and the specification code is 33030030, and more than 2200 shipment took place as reported on 31st May 2025, and during the financial year 23-24, Kewra water export under HSN code 33030030 had a total worth of 14.2 crores of Indian rupees, and between April 24 to June 25, the total worth of export reached to 0.7 crore Indian rupees. You can find supplier and manufacturer in many cities in this country, and these are the top cities. We hope the information in this video will be useful for your export business, and request to leave a comment below and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. And if interested, please send a message to the WhatsApp number in this video to book a complimentary meeting and learn about the export business processes and compliance. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you a very successful export business journey.